Most of us are very attracted towards spirituality. What is this word called spirituality? Spirituality means I can say that it starts from a basic word spirit. Now, where is this spirit? Is it a hardware or a software? Perhaps it is a software because it is not touchable. You can't, touch it and you can't measure its physical parameters like length, breadth. What is the length of a spirit? I can't measure. What is the length and breadth and height of a spirit? This is very difficult to comprehend. So then, software. So if this spirit is, some people say that it is a super soul, and some others say that it is subdivided by numerous souls. And we say that soul is sentient, having knowledge. But however, this is not moving. So if the super soul is not moving and sentient, knowledgeable, and it is all pervasive, that means it is present everywhere. So in the body it must be present somewhere. How to find out where it is present? A lot of people also say, and it is also written in the Shastras, that this spirit or the soul or the super soul in a greater sense, we say that this is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. So, if it is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient, means all powerful, present everywhere like ubiquitous, and all knowledgeable, all the knowledge is present in that. So, if this is the case, then in that case, we should really think of it. In the body, we say that the spirit is present in a software, and the spirit is the master of everything in the body. That means, without the command of the spirit, we cannot do anything. Neither we can't smile, we can't cry, we can't have any emotions, any passion, we can't move, there is no motion. So, if these are the things, then a lot of seers have tried to do research and find out where this spirit in our body really lives. So, they have seen that there are three states of a human being. One of the states is awake state. When we are very much awake, we understand everything. When somebody is speaking, we are listening to it like that. So, in that awakened state, the spirit is present in our iris or eyelid. Eyes. In the eye, there is a small iris, and in that, there is a pupil, and in the pupil, the spirit resides. That means it resides in the eye when we are in the awakened state. And the same spirit is present in the throat. In the throat when we are in the dream state. When we are in the dream state, certain internalities of us work and certain other internalities do not work. That we will discuss later on. First, let us understand where the spirit resides during the dream state. It resides in the throat. And when we are in a slumber, in a deep sleep, at that time, the spirit resides in our heart. So that means spirit is residing in our heart when we are in a slumber. That means most of the conscience is not present during that time. Like the mind, is it present or not? May not be. Why? Because we are not doing any. What is mind? The basic definition of a mind is that it always thinks what to do and what not to do. That is mind. So when you are a slumber, you do not think anything that what you are trying to do, and where even if somebody, you are like a dead man in a slumber, and during that time our soul remains inside the heart. So a lot of seers actually try to find out this spirit and try to understand its own movement, and then the higher aspect of understanding the spirit is to be with the spirit. That means I am not the body. That means somebody will say that who are you? I am not the body. Who am I? Then I am the spirit or the super soul or the soul. Actually not the super soul, because we are a subset of the super soul. So we are a soul, and that soul resides in our body. So is that soul residing also in plants and animals? Yes, they are also residing in plants and. Do they really reside in the materials like sand, stone, etc.? Yes, they are also residing there, but in a very, very dormant state. So that means the super soul's existence is present irrespective of materials. Living, non living, everywhere the super soul is present. This is a very interesting thing, that the super soul is all pervasive. So if it is all pervasive, naturally it is present everywhere. So already it is 6 minutes time. So what we can do, we will continue this particular topic in my next speech. Thank you.